City series cigars and Citrus 7s, black cement 3s, 4s, the hairs and bread 11s. No doubt that I'll be wearing some fire at any sighting. With these Dorenbecker 5s, you can see me in any lighting. It's exciting, I'll be flexing to the coldest degree. What's up, everybody? It's Sneakerhead M Checks. Mail came in earlier today, and yes, it is the fire red sale off-white Jordan 5 set to release tomorrow. Well, technically today because it's after midnight, but y'all know what I mean. Thursday, October 29th. That's the release date. But anyway, let's check them out.
Here they are. Real vintage looking. Especially over here. 1990 vibes, right? Here's the front. Come with these extra laces, as you can see. There's a red pair and a black pair, just like they did on the muslin off-white 5s. Here's a zip tie. Here are the lace locks. Got that vintage look to them. Mad yellowed and stuff. The little, this little tag that they put on the off-white Jordan collabs. Over here on the left shoe's tongue, they got the cut open, or the bullet hole as I like to call it. On this tongue, there is none. And yeah, I think that's about it for the details on the front view. Red retro style 23 over here on the side. I don't know why they decided to make it all red instead of the, red on black like it is on the regular fire reds, but maybe it looks better this way. That's probably why. But yeah, more bullet holes cut over here into the side of the shoe. And aged looking fire red 5s midsole. Here on the other side, they have this off-white Jordan collab text for the Jordan 5s. Here it is on the other shoe. I don't know why they always make it so difficult to read this stuff, but there it is. Black Nike Air on the back. Text on the tongue is upside down. Over here on the left shoe, it's partially cut because of the cutout in the shoe. The interior has like this peachy pink kind of look to it. If you look at it next to the outside, it's not like that sail kind of colorway. Insoles are black with red logos. And of course, you see at the end of the laces, we got the famous quoted off-white shoelaces. Same box that the other off-whites came in. Just a regular Jordan 5 box, but they have these little holes cut into them. No paper on the inside, just this Air Jordan off-white plastic. And here is the box label. Retail in USD is $225.
If you really want a pair of these, like if you want to guarantee yourself a pair, I suggest you buy them on GOAT right now. Either that or you wait a couple of weeks. Because this is such a sought after shoe, your chances of getting them for retail is very, very low. And you got to be realistic with that. Just because they're about to release for $225 doesn't necessarily mean you're about to get them for $225. Y'all know how many people is going after these. A lot of people wouldn't want to pay that $650 to $750 price range that they're going for right now because they know they're about to release in a couple hours for $225 retail. Now, if you don't want them that bad, I feel you. But if you do really want these and you have that $650 or $700 that they're going for right now, you might want to just buy them on GO right now. Unless you don't mind waiting a couple weeks or a couple months or paying a little bit more. Y'all know once these sell out on sneakers, the price is going to shoot up just like every other release. So that $700 that they going for right now might be $800 by 10:05 a.m. Now, I do think that eventually prices may start to go back down. Probably in about a week or two. Only thing is, most people don't want to wait that long, and it's not guaranteed that they're going to go back down in price. I think it's very likely, but I would not chance it because it's not definite. So yeah, it really comes down to how bad you want these and what your budget is. I'm telling you, if you don't really have a budget like that and you really just want to secure a legit pair of these for the best price you can, buy them now or wait a couple of weeks. Me personally, if I really wanted these to the point where I was going to get them no matter what, I would buy a pair on GOAT right now before the release. I will still try in a couple of hours when they drop on the sneakers app. And if I hit on the sneakers app, then I have 2 pairs. Then I'll just sell the pair that came in from GOAT. Or, depending on what the market's looking like, keep 1 pair for personal and then hold on to that 2nd pair and sell them later when they really going crazy in price. Which goes right into my next topic. If you plan on selling these, if you're trying to make the most money that you can off of these, hold them. The good thing about these is, even if you sell them at a bad time, you'll still be able to make close to like $400 in profit. So that's lit. But if you want to maximize your profit, hold them. I don't think I need to tell y'all how hyped the Jordan Off-White collabs are. Y'all see what the ones did. I know these are 5s and not 1s, and I don't expect them to do exactly what the ones did, but I can see these having a $1,200 to $1,600 market value in the future, maybe even more. So me personally, as a person who does plan to sell these, I'm going to hold them for a little while. The first pair of Off-White 5s that dropped, after they came out, their lowest market value point for like the popular size range of like 9 to 12 was like close to 700. Now 8 months down the line, those have climbed up $200-$300 in value. So even if you hold on to these for less than a year, you might be able to make a couple $100 extra. So it's up to you. Some people want that quick flip, $400 in like a day. That's lit. But if you don't need that money right away, it's a good idea to hold on to these for a while and see what they do. The shoe is going to go up, and at some point, it's probably going to be going for double what it's going for now. Now, I'm not sure if today's release is going to be first come, first serve or a raffle. I could see it being either one. I know when the Off-White 4s dropped in July, I was anticipating a raffle, and that actually ended up being first come, first serve. So it's probably going to be first come, first serve. But even if you think it's going to be a raffle, just be prepared for the worst because you don't want to ruin your chances. But good luck to everybody. Let me know in the comments if you got a W or a L and what you plan to do with it. If you got the W, are you keeping them or are you selling them? And if you took the L, are you planning to pay resale? Let me know. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more sneaker reviews and other sneaker related content. Also turn all my video notifications on so you can be notified as soon as I drop something. I'm still giving away a pair of Fire Red 4s, so if you're interested in that, I'm gonna put a link down to that in the description. It's really easy to enter, so I strongly suggest you guys check that out. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Once again, good luck on these today. Everybody, please stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you next time.